Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study some important problems in partial derivatives. First problem, if u is equal to sin inverse x by y plus tan inverse y by x, then find the value of x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. So here we have to consider the partial derivatives. Dou u by dou x means the partial derivative of u with respect to x. Dou u by dou y means the partial derivative of u with respect to y. Partial derivative with respect to x means we consider x as a variable and other variables as considered as constant. And partial derivative with respect to y means in which we consider y as a variable and other variables as constants. So here we consider the function u is equal to sin inverse x by y plus tan inverse y by x. Dou u by dou x means sin inverse x derivative, that is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Here x is x by y, so under root 1 minus x by y whole square into x by y derivative, that is 1 by y is as a constant, plus tan inverse x derivative, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, and y by x derivative, that is minus y by x square. So we get the answer as, here we just cross multiply and we get that is 1 divided by under root y square minus x square minus y divided by x square plus y square. In the question, x into dou u by dou x. So x into dou u by dou x means x divided by under root y square minus x square minus xy divided by x square plus y square. Next we have to find with respect to y partial derivative. So we consider x as constants and y as variable. So here sin inverse y, that is 1 by under root 1 minus x by y whole square, and x by y derivative with respect to y means minus x by y square, plus tan inverse y, that is 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square. Here y by x derivative, that is 1 by x. So we get the answer after simplification and multiply with the y, we get the answer like this. So we get x dou u by dou x like this and y dou u by dou y as like this. In the question, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y, that's equal to 0 here. Okay. Next problem, find dou u by dou r and dou u by dou theta if u is equal to e raised to r cos theta cos of r sin theta. So we have to consider dou u by dou r and dou u by dou theta. So the u as e raised to r cos theta into cos of r sin theta. Dou u by dou r means theta is constant and r only a variable. So first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So e raised to r cos theta into cos of theta, that is minus sin theta, and r sin theta derivative with respect to r means sin theta, plus second function to derivative first means e raised to r cos theta into r cos theta derivative, that is cos theta. So after cos theta cos into, after simplification we get the answer as e raised to r cos theta into cos theta cos of r sin theta minus sin theta sin of r sin theta, that is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is cos of a plus b. So we get the answer as cos of r sin theta plus theta into e raised to r cos theta. Next we have to find with respect to theta partial derivative. So here e raised first function into derivative second with respect to theta means minus sin r sin theta into r into sin theta derivative, that is cos theta, plus second function cos of r sin theta into e raised to r cos theta derivative, that is e raised to r cos theta into r into cos theta derivative, that is minus sin theta. After simplification we get the answer as minus r into e raised to r cos theta into sin of r sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta cos r sin theta, that is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, that is sin of x plus y. So minus r into e raised to r cos theta into sin of r sin theta plus theta. So this is the answer for this question. Next problem, if u is equal to 1 minus 2xy plus y square all power minus 1 by 2, prove that x into dou u by dou x minus y into dou u by dou y is equal to y square into u cube. So here we consider the u, dou u by dou x. We know that x raised to n derivative, that is nx raised to n minus 1. Here x power minus half, that is minus half into all power minus 3 by 2. Here with respect to x derivative of this function, that is minus 2y, and multiply with the x, so we get that answer as xy into 1 minus 2xy plus y square all power minus 3 by 2, and dou u by dou y means also y power n, that is n y power n minus 1. So and here the function derivative with respect to y means minus 2x plus into y. Answer, we get the answer like this, and multiply with y, we get the answer xy minus y square into 1 minus 2xy plus y square all power minus 3 by 2. We have to find x dou u by dou x minus y dou u by dou y. So we get the answer like this, y square into 1 minus 2xy plus y square all raised to minus 3 by 2. Because the common terms cancel, all only exists this term. This 1 minus 2xy plus y square all power minus 3 by 2, as we can replace it as u cube, because we know that 1 minus 2xy plus y square all power minus 1 by 2 is u. So all power 3, that is this term, that is y cube, sorry, u cube. Okay, so we prove that question. Next question, if z is equal to e raised to ax plus by, f of ax plus by, prove that b into dou z by dou x plus a into dou z by dou y is equal to a bz. So we have to find dou z by dou x. So e raised to ax plus by into derivative of second, that is f dash of ax plus ax minus by into a plus f of ax minus by, e raised to x derivative, that is e raised to x only, so e raised to ax plus by into a. We know that in the question, that is b into dou z by dou x. So we multiply with the b, so we get the answer as ab and e raised to ax plus by common, so f dash ax minus by plus f into ax minus by. And next we have to find derivative with respect to y, so e raised to ax plus by into f dash of ax minus by into minus b, that is derivative of minus by, plus f of ax minus by into e raised to ax plus by into b. And after multiplying with the a, we get the answer like this, and take the exponential function common, we get the answer as ab e raised to ax plus by into f of ax minus by minus f dash of ax minus by. In the question they are asking, that is b into dou z by dou x plus a into dou z by dou y. So that is here also we get the answer as ab e raised to ax plus by into f dash of ax minus by plus f of ax minus by. Here we get like this. So here we can take common as ab e raised to ax plus by. Here we get the answer, the same time cancel, and 2f into ax minus by exists. So the answer is 2ab e raised to ax plus by into f of ax minus by. Here we know that the function e raised to ax plus by into f of ax minus by as z. So we get the answer as 2ab into z. So the question is proved. Partial derivatives of higher order is also important. We know the function z is a function of x and y. So we can find the partial derivative of the function with respect to x and also y. We can find for the differential of the function. So dou by dou x of dou z by dou x means dou square z by dou x square. It can be represented as fxx. Dou by dou y of dou z by dou x as dou square z divided by dou by dou x, that's equal to fyx. Okay. Similarly, we can find fxy, that is first we have to find y derivative and then x. Okay. dou square z by dou x dou y. First question true. Y is equal to f of x plus at plus g of x minus at satisfies dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square, where f and g are assumed to be at least twice differentiable and a is any constant. So here y is given, we have to find the function y with respect to t derivative. We have to find the partial derivative of the function with 2 times with respect to time and also with respect to x. So we have to first find dou y by dou x with respect to x derivative, that is f of x, that is function derivative is f dash of x plus at plus g dash of x minus at. Here x derivative is 1 and here also 1. So we get the answer like this. And after second derivative, f dash changes as f double dash and also g dash changes to g double dash. And we multiply with the a square. Okay. Here the left hand side, that is dou square y by dou t square. So we have to find with respect to time derivative, that is f dash of x plus at derivative is equal to a plus d dash of x minus at derivative is minus a. After one more differentiation with respect to t, f dash is changes to f double dash of x minus at into a, and also there is existing a before, so we get the a square s here, and plus g dash is changes to g double dash, and minus at differentiation, that is minus a, so minus a into minus a, that is a square. So we get the answer as a square is common, so we get the answer which is change to the dou square y by dou x square, that is dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square is proved. Find the value of dou cube u divided by dou x dou y dou z. Okay, we first find with respect to z derivative and then y and also with respect to x. So we first find the function with respect to z differentiation, that is dou u by dou z is equal to e raised to function derivative, that is e raised to function only, and the into the function derivative, that is e raised to xyz into the derivative of with respect to z, that is xy as constant, that is xy, dou square u by dou y dou z, that is we have two y containing functions. So first function derivative second plus second function derivative first, that is e raised to xyz into x plus xy into e raised to xyz into xz, and after simplifying we get the answer like this. And one more differentiation, that is dou cube u divided by dou x dou y dou z, that is we have x containing function, that here there is a product and here also we have a product, that is first function derivative second plus second function derivative first plus first function into derivative of second plus second function derivative first. So we get the four terms here, that is 1 into e raised to xyz plus x into e raised to xyz into yz plus x square yz into e raised to xyz into yz plus e raised to xyz into 2x into yz. We can take e raised to xyz as common and we get difference after simplification, e raised to xyz into 1 plus 3 xyz plus x square y square z square as the answer. Next problem, if u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, show that dou by dou x plus dou y plus dou by dou z all square into u, that's equal to minus 9 divided by x plus y plus z all square. Here the function as u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we have to find dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and all the sum of these things. We have to find dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z first and add these terms and after square. Okay, so dou by dou x, after we first find the derivative with respect to x and y and z, and after we should add these terms. Okay, so we have to find dou u by dou x, that is log x derivative, that is 1 by x. So 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. X cube derivative, that is 3x square, minus here minus 3 into yz. After y cube and z cube are constant, so it does not appears in the numerator. So dou u by dou y is 1 by x, that is 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. With respect to y derivative, that is 3y square minus 3xz. Okay. Dou u by dou z also log x derivative, that is 1 by x, and here the x means these things, derivative, that is 3z square minus 3xy. After summing these three terms, we get the answer as, after simplifying, 3 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz divided by x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So we can cancel the numerator and denominator common terms, and we get the answer as 3 divided by x plus y plus z. And we know that this is the dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z of u of this function. We have to find the double derivative, means square derivative, means it is the double derivative, that is dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z of the function. Here we get obtained here. So we find dou by dou x of the function plus dou by dou y of the function plus dou by dou z of the function. We know that the 1 by x derivative, that is minus 1 by x square. So we get the answer as minus 1 by x plus y plus z all square. Here 3 x's, so 3 also x's here. So we get the same terms for 3 differentiation, and we can add these things, and minus 9 divided by x plus y plus z all square is the answer. Next problem, if y is equal to r sin theta, x equal to r cos theta, we have to find dou by dou r of x, dou by dou theta of y, dou by dou x of r, dou by dou y of theta. Okay. In the first question, that is dou by dou r of x, means here x is equal to r cos theta. With respect to r differentiation, we know that r cos theta differentiation, that is cos theta, theta is constant here, and y is equal to r sin theta, in which we have to find dou y by dou theta. R means we should consider r as constant and theta is variable, that is r into sin theta, that is differentiation, that is cos theta. And dou r by dou x of y means we should consider y as constant, and we have to find the differentiation of r with respect to x. So first of all, we have to find the r, that is x square plus y square, that is under root x square plus y square is r, and from that dou r by dou x with respect to y as constant, that is root x derivative, that is 1 by 2 root x, and x square plus y square derivative, that is 2x with respect to x, and we get the answer as x divided by under root x square plus y square as the answer. Dou theta by dou y of x means we have to find first theta. We know that y by x, that is tan theta, so from that theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Theta with respect to y with respect to x as constant, that is tan inverse x derivative, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. Here tan inverse y by x, that is 1 by 1 plus y by x all square. With respect to y differentiation, so y by x, that is derivative, that is 1 by x. So we get the answer as x divided by x square plus y square. So thank you friends, from this problems you get this idea about the partial differentiation, and keep learning. Thank you for watching.